Welcome on board, pilots! Those people who fly a lot usually face the problem of finding their previous flight data. Using the digital logbook would take you one step closer to find it quickly and easily. We would like to introduce an extremely useful function that we call Intelligent Search. Activate the search function by clicking on the small funnel in the upper left corner. Now, let's switch on the filter. Those columns in the table that can be used for the intelligent search have a white text, but those for which the intelligent search function does not work, gray text appear. Let's look at an example. We suppose that you have to search for flight data from March. In this case, click on the date column. As you can see, users can set the from date and the to date parameters. Choose the 1st of March as the starting date and the 31st of March as the final date. Now, the table filters the flight data between the two dates. You can also turn on and turn off the sum function that totalizes specific data of your flights. What should you do if you only need those flight data from March which are connected to one specific aircraft? You can also set more than one parameter. At the moment, the application only lists the flights in March, so click on Type. In the settings, you can choose from the aircraft models that you flew in March. Now, the application lists the routes with the following criteria. The route was in March, and you flew the given aircraft. We hope this video was useful and you can now understand the search function better. We highly recommend you to watch our other tutorials as well. Goodbye and see you in our next video.